Here I am making the cold air intake. These toothpicks will help me see how high I can go or how close to the hood I can go. So far, here's what I have on the heat shield. Welding 24 gauge is not the easiest. Trying to add these louvers to get a little bit more air. A little bit of sound deadening done. Here's a big difference. You gotta make sure you roll it. Lastly, doing the sound insulator. So it's very sticky. Here's how the homemade louvers turned out. So basically all that's left is pull it out, give it a quick paint job, and get some weather stripping to put on the top here. Then I'm going to be insulating it with sound deadening. And then the heat. This heat shield should all help. Thanks for watching.